I'm going to show you how to do exercise 10 here. Let L equal 6, 12, 18, 24 be the set of multiples of 6, and let M equal 45, 90, 135 be the set of multiples of 45. So letter A says find 4 more elements of set M. So all we need to do is keep adding 45 to the last number that we start off with. So all we need to do is just keep adding. So that's how we got the first 4 numbers. And then just to make it easier, let's find the next 4 numbers for L. So all we need to do is keep adding 6 as well, since this is multiples of 6. So we keep adding 6 to 24, and that would be 12. That would be 30, 36, and then 42, and 48. So that's the next 4 of L. And then for B, it says describe L intersect M. So this right here is an intersect, and that means that we need to find what numbers are also in M that are in L. So we need to keep counting out and see what would be in both of these sets here. But first, what we need to do to find that would be to find the least common multiple of 6 and 45. So that would mean how many times would you have to add 6 and 45 until you get both of them are the same number that you get when you add them. So to find that, we need to find the prime factorization. So we know that 2 times 3 is 6, so that would be the prime numbers that make up of 6, but we need to find what would be for 45. That's a little bit trickier. So let's just start out and see what would be divided by 45. We can use 5, and that would equal 9. So already we have the first factorization, which is 5, because it can't go down any lower. It's a prime number. And we know that 9 can go down a little bit more, can go down for 3 times 3. So that will give us 3 squared. And now all we have to do is multiply these numbers together, but we don't add this one because this one has more than this one. So we add the 2 times 5 times 3, and then we just multiply this together, and that would give us 90. But we need to keep going because this is the smallest. You see, this is C says, what is the smallest element of L intersect M? That would be 90. But we need to keep going until we find what else would be in that intersect the same numbers that are in L and in M. But all we have to do, just like when we were adding the multiples here, we add multiples of 90. So that would give us 90, 180, 270, and 360. So those are the L and M intersects together. That's what would be the numbers between both of those sets. Thank you for watching.